इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन की कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, one and all. We welcome each one of you to Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series on this beautiful afternoon of Sunday. Franchise India is among top 10 management consulting companies in India, and we truly claim that no one sells more business than us because we have helped thousands of investors in getting the suggestions, franchise solutions from our side. We have helped international and national clients, brands to expand their business with our extensive network. It's our privilege to welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir. Along with Gaurav sir, we welcome Sonia ma'am. During the course of the webinar, they'll be talking about the industry, about various changes, as well as their suggestions. The brand which we are presenting you today is PG Pet. Yes, PG Pet is leading pet specialty firm that provides the pet products, services, and clinical advice to the pet parents. And it is our privilege to welcome Mr. Gautam Goha, who will talk about his brand. They are already operational in many cities and they have product range of more than 2000. So that's the penetration they have in market. Thank you so much, Mr. Goha, for sparing time and attending and representing your brand on this webinar. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Archana, for your introductions, lovely introductions. And thank you, Franchise India, to provide me an opportunity to showcase my brand in such a big platform in India. We are PG Pet family. I, Gautam Guha, founder and CEO of PG Pet, welcome you all to PG Pet family. We normally started our journey in the year 2009 when such facilities are not available in India. We are there to find it out that people, pet parents are facing a lot of problems. So we start journey in 2009 with 2,000 of rupees as a wholesaler. Then our journey begins in 2010. We have opened our first store in Calcutta, Bagvihati, in the name of the PG Pet. So begin starts. So during this time of the 1 decade, we are now the leader in the business of the pet accessories in the Eastern market. We are providing services, products to the different parts of the country, specifically in Eastern part, the Northeast, but also in the different metro cities. We are doing this business for the couple of years. Before we start, why the franchise? We are the wholesaler, manufacturer, and the importer nowadays. But during the lockdown period, when my retail customers who are in different places, call me, Gautam, we are very suffering from the products and services which you are providing to me. I'm telling you why. I'm telling you that you should get this material in the local also. But they are saying the no. So what the passion and the products and the services and the qualities that you are providing to me, that is missing, absolutely missing. And I like your services. I know that you try your level best to provide the services to me. Because of the transportation problems during the lockdown period, you couldn't able to do that. So why don't you open a stores in my locations? I'm like, okay, let the things will be normalized or something like that. We'll think of it, and definitely we will do something for the pet parents, and our journey begins. So this way we have started our journey for the franchisees. So let's before these things, before the journey started and what exactly is the models of the franchises, we like to first give you a bit of idea. I share my screens for all of you. Can you hear? Can you see this my screens?
So we can't see your screen. You have to share it.
Yes. You are shared. I have already shared.
Now we can see, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Achana. Yes. So our basic motto and the objective is for the PG Pet is the happiness for the pet parents. In very beginning, we always motto is to make them happy for their if the pet parents are happy, then definitely we can achieve our objectives. So basically, motto is happiness for pet parents. This is our tagline also. So before we start journey for the different models, we try to give you an idea of the pet care markets available now. You will be amazed to see that the many business lines have introduced their taglines that pet care industry is the fastest growing pet market in the world. One of the example is Hindu business line. They have also said India among the fastest growing pet care markets. Basically, that presently the India have 25 million pets presently in India. Around 80% of the dogs and the rest are the either fishes, birds, or cats. And on an average, 0.6 million pets are adopted every year. Just think it of 25 million pets presently there, 0.6 million pets adopted every year. Such a big market. And they consume pet packaged foods. And the market of the pet packet food is almost 25,000 millions. And it's growing at a 14% annually. In my right side of the screen, you can see the different segments of the pet care industry. There are 4 segments basically. One is pet food, pet accessories, pet grooming, and the pet healthcare. So if you can group together of all the 4 categories, is almost coming around a 40,000 millions business in India. So such a big market it is. So this is the pet market overview of the industry. And CAGR, compound annual growth rate, is 20% for the forecasted period 2021-2022. So in terms of market is concerned, definitely it has a potential of high potential market. Pets are there, market is there, everything is there. This is the pet market for that, and it is growing market. It's fastest growing market in the world. I am not saying, all the experts are saying, and I'm seeing, availing these things. So in terms of market trend is concerned, what is the market trend? We can take, normally we are taking that Google keyword search. Two Google keyword search we will consider for these things. One is the pet store near me and the pet store. What it indicates. This pet market trends for the last 5 years, if you can say, huge number of audiences, which number of people are searching these keywords. Pet store near me and the pet store. It indicates that either they are not satisfied with their present stores available at their locations, they are searching for the other organized stores, or new pet parents who have just purchased puppies, they have adopted new puppies to fulfill their needs. So there is a huge gap, a standardized pet store and a normal pet store. People are searching for that. And the people have realized this thing during the lockdown period mostly. Several calls come from my end customers, my pet parents. Gautam, open a store in my locations, who are the very distance from my retail counters. Why don't you open? Because I'm not satisfied with the varieties, the products, the quality, the passion you are giving to me. I'm not getting. You open it. So because of there is a potential in every locations where organized sector is lacking in our industry. During the COVID impact, this COVID impact is there in this 2020 and 21. Everybody is impacted. Everybody is impacted. If anyone is saying no, everybody is impacted from that. So one tagline from the Economic Times India: mass pet care expects sales to jump 30% this year as lockdown pushes pet adoption. What it means? Jump of 30% because of the lockdown. Then the pet adoption, word pet adoption. Pet adoptions, it means that during the lockdown period, everybody knows that inside their houses, they're not able to go outside. There is no entertainment. Then what will do? But the best thing to do, to take a new entrant, new member for your family. And how it is possible? Possible to just take in one pets for either it's a dog or cats or birds or whatever it is. The pets, if the pets is available, they purchase pets, they adopt pets, and our industry grows. So COVID has a positive impact in pet industry. You will be love to hear these things. COVID has a positive impact in pet industry. I think 2-3 industries there which are positively impacted. Otherwise, that all have a negative impact. As you all know, I'll not explain much more in here. And I'm really thankful to the Indian government to put pet food under the essential items. So almost all pet store was opened during the lockdown. So it has a positive impact for us, and we will all earn for that. We'll grow in during this lockdown period. So next is that we have understood that pet market is there. COVID has a good impact. Market trend is increasing. Now this is the opportunity for all of who are in this industry to look forward further. We as a leader in this industry, we also need team members, family members like you to to shake our hands, to grow together. For that we are there, to take the opportunity to grow it. For that, PGPet is best options for you. Why the best options? Because PGPet is a leading pet specialty firm that provides the pet products, services, and the clinical advices to the pet parents to make them the pet happy and healthy. The two words, and healthy and happy. How you can make them happy? How you can make them happy? If you can if you can go for any categories of the PGPet stores, you will get a lot of variety. For example, toys, pet toys. A pet parent comes to the pet store, and as per their age, as per their breed, as per their quality, we will provide them a variety of the toys. And as you know that a pet or human baby, whoever is that, if you get the perfect toy, they will be happy. So provide them happy by giving them a variety of options. And pet parents, obviously pet parents will be happy. That is our tagline, happiness for pet parents. Healthy, we will provide different types of pet foods to them, varieties of pet food, not one type. So we will always suggest them that what type of pet food you want, and we will provide them accordingly. And in terms of business, that I already told you that we are the manufacturer, importer, and the wholesaler of the industry. So our background is as a manufacturer now. So we have a team members of 40 plus team members. We working together day and night to provide the services to the different parts of the country to make them happy, either the pet stores or the pet parents. We have a range of 2,000 products, especially in nowadays. So mainly catering for the mainly East India, partially in the North and West and South India, also in the metros basically. In the South, that basically we are supplying to the Chennai, Hyderabad, Coimbatore, and other parts of the metro cities. We provide a happy customer of more than 3 lakhs directly or indirectly, because we are supplying to the 1,000 plus stores. Their customers also happy from our product, which we are supplying. So in altogether, the happy customers is more than 3 lakhs. We have association of 20 plus association with breeders, or maybe the cashier, altogether these type things. We have website presence also, where our own registered brands are 10 numbers. It is as per from the trademark. We got the registration from the trademark association that our brands are 10 numbers, which we will be only be selling. So this is the glimpse of our warehouse, from where we can supply to the different parts of the country. This is 8,500 square feet, one of our warehouse. Just a glimpse of that. We are keeping our stuffs here. Secondly, that vision for next couple of years, PG Pet passionately strives to be the largest pet retail chain, keeping happiness of pet parents. So we want that you will be a part of this journey, meet our vision, part of the journey, and go together. Because unless you are there, we cannot reach our pet retail chain mission. We strive to become a 500 million business by 2022, and staying ahead of the competition exponentially by offering customers a wow experience. Wow experience is offering wow experience means we normally offering in our stores to customers for the wow experience. When you give them a certain offer, it automatically comes from the mouth of the customer. Wow. I just given one example for that to make you understand. Suppose a rupees 99 of one product, we will give to them for 19 rupees. Say wow. Second options we are using, we'll give you a discount as per your pet parent's weight. If you're 70 kg weight, you will get a 70 rupees discount. If you're 120 rupees weight, 120 is a kg weight, you will get 120 rupees extra discount. So I think this is the first time that a person with a healthy person will be happy that because of my weight, I'll get a more discount. This just joke apart. Anyhow, this wow experience through continuous innovations of the premium products and services by using the world-class technology and processes. As we are manufacturers, so we are innovating. We are always innovating the things. Premium products, we are doing innovations. There are a lot of things are doing. So we are using for that to get the pet parents happy. World-class technology in terms of software we are using to get the material done, or billing softwares. From the billing software to reorder level and ordering system, everything is technology has been put up in the stores. So this is our missions. In the next slide, we will give you our logistic part, because we are based at Calcutta for that own vehicle for the local transport, but we have a lot of transporter which we have tied up to send the goods to the different parts of the country. Either it's a VRL, DHL, FedEx, Fastback. That's all. This is the major normally transporter available. It's now we have a tied up with them to logistic part. We already told you that we have a more than we have a 10 numbers of own registered brand. So few registered popular brands I have mentioned here. PetX, the pet lifestyle. Under this, there are a lot of SKUs are there. I'll show you the next slide how many SKUs and what are the SKUs are there under the PetX lifestyle. PG Bite, nutritional dog treats. Dog treats, we have under own brand name PG Bite. Fun Toy for the toy segment. Boost for the perfume segment. Pet Groom for the shampoos and other SKUs are available. Under one brand, there are a lot of SKUs are there. So I can show you in the next slide how many SKUs. For one example, I'll show you for the PetX. This is the one slide that you can see the India's #1 pet lifestyle brand. Under this, you can see that soap, dog soap, aloe vera and tea tree, paw soap to softness your paw, and the perfumes and the cereals for the puppies from the age of 25 days. You can have these cereals, protein powder to build the muscles, shampoos, towels, and a lot of things. More than 20-25 SKUs are there under this one brand, and still it is continuing. This is about me, and I'm the founder of the PG Pet. Journey started in the 2009, having experience of 15 years. Basically, I'm a finance analyst too, because I'm a cost accountant. In my earlier career, I was worked with a lot of multinational companies like Coca-Cola, Praxair, Linde, Haldia. Lastly, I was in the Haldia Petrochemicals as a tax management consultancy. And from that, I have this much corporate experiences which you utilizing in my business now. So you can understand that from the last couple of slides, I am able to make you understand that what is the pet markets, what are the impact in the COVID, and the logistic part, our own brands and something own brands, and how you will be part of our brand, who we are, everything we have mentioned. But the next question may be that in your mind that, okay, you have this in your portfolio, then what benefit I will get? If I join the PG Pet, what benefit I will get it? This is the benefit you will get it. This is the advantage of becoming PG Pet franchise. What benefit? Benefit is the brand name, which is known in everywhere. In Eastern market, if you tell about the PG Pet, everybody tell you is PG Pet. From our website support, pgpetindia.com, you will get the benefit. If you want to select your locations, we are there with you. We will give you the right locations. It is an important factor. You train your manpower. Definitely train your manpower. Comprehensive franchising training program. We always focus on the training portions, because we know that you are coming from a different background. If you're from the same background, most welcome. From the different background, then also most welcome. Because our training module, training videos, everything will train you in a very short span of time. And rest of that, we are always with you. We are providing a very unique facilities. Serial number 6, if you just read it down. Merchandise at wholesale price along with attractive exchange policy of 90 days. In 90 days, anything happen. With the slow moving, non-moving, you are not able to do that, anything. Will not ask you anything. If you want to exchange, we will exchange. That support I'll give it to you. Designing support, infrastructure support, everything you will get it. We have an own registered brand, everything we already told you regarding this. Our ideal partner is normally that existing veterinary professionals with a good understanding of the products, or the business owner having underutilized facilities, existing customers, maybe pet store owners who are in the pet store industry, already having pet store, but want to join us, most welcome. Entrepreneur, especially individuals with the investment capacity looking for exciting business concept. We are there for you. Not only this PPT slide, maybe the later on, if you have any queries, we are there to give you the business concept. Now we come to the franchise model. We have a simple model. Before that, we have told you that what exactly we have. Now we have a model for franchising model that we are introducing now. The first time we're introducing these two models. Simple, pet store plus clinic or pet store plus clinic plus grooming center. As simple as this. These two simple format. Area required 350 square feet, 450 square feet. Not much. We want to give you better ROI. Approximate investment 13 lakhs, 15 lakhs. Investment portion, I'll tell you how it is 13 lakhs to 15 lakhs. Franchisee fee 2.5 lakhs for both of the models. Average ROI for 5 years, 103%. This is attractive investment ROI. Payback only 1.5 years. Only one of both the conditions, 1.5 years. Agreement terms, 5 years. Normally this is happened. I'll just give you a brief idea about the products and services. What margin you will get it. Packet food, 25%, accessories, 60% I can give because we are the manufacturer. So we provide you better rates. Pet consulting services, 30%, grooming, 90%. Grooming is for the second model is concerned. Otherwise, for the first, grooming is not come. In an average margin, if you take it all together, it's coming around 35% margin, you will get it. So it's a hefty margin you will get from this business. This is a breakup of investment, how these 13 lakhs and 15 lakhs constitutes. Simply interior is around 3.92 lakhs and 4.8 lakhs. Equipment is 1.5 lakhs and 2.65 lakhs. And you see, equipment means this is all air conditioning, then refrigerator, then your software, and each and everything is included here. Don't worry for that. It's including everything. License and initial marketing 45,000. Franchise fee already told you, and the stock investment is your 4.5 lakhs, 4.75 lakhs. So it's coming 13 lakhs, 15 lakhs. But actually, your net setup cost is 8.4 and 10.4 lakhs rupees only to set up two models. Any models as per your suitable things. Success mantras, upkeep of the stores and things and billing and order in customized software, happiness for pet parent formula, marketing things and everything we will provide to you. And if you have no overstocking, because we have in a software to give you reorder level facilities are there. So give the order as per reorder, no overstocking. I don't want to invest you much more in your things. I know that to give you the better returns at a low investment. And that brings me to the end of my presentations. Let me give you a summary of what I've been talking about over the last few minutes. I'm taking a few minutes. Summary is that very briefly, CAGR is 20%, compound annual growth 20%, pets 25 millions, COVID impact positive, product range 2000 plus, manufacturer importer, yes, we are manufacturer importer, ROI 103%. Most importantly, investment 13 to 15 lakhs, just I told you. Technical support, yes, we are providing, and most importantly, exchange policy in 90 days. So this is the basic summary of our things, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Gautamji. This is a very good presentation.
Thank you very much.
See your clear excitement in this and your contribution to really grow this industry and being an integrated operator from manufacturing to retail. You have done a long way. So I'll start with few questions. Why you have very beautifully presented the industry growth, and this is something which people miss sometimes when they come to our forums. They talk about only their brand and their performance, but they don't give the overview about the industry. So you have done it a very beautifully from the industry growth, where it is going, what are the challenges in the industry, how you filling this gap of structure, and eventually where you stand for. And very clear messaging came from that you stand for the overall, the user experience, the pet parent, the kind of experience they get when they come to PG Pet is the most important thing for you. So let me start with the little bit of a understanding of the business today. It's a subscriber business. You know, you get to a certain subscribers who come and regularly consume from you, and especially consumption on the food, pet food, and pet grooming is more cyclic. Accessories is something which you would buy on and off depending on where you are, and especially people buy when they adopt a pet. They would buy a lot of accessories, and then it's probably they would do the replacement of that. So there, whenever you have, especially when you become a first time a pet parent, you are in the indulging mode. You go out and indulge more. You buy everything because you need everything for your pet. But pet food and pet grooming is a very cyclic structure where you would have to buy on a monthly cycle or a fortnightly cycle or even a weekly cycle.
Yes.
So what my question is that how you have seen the last 3-4 years, and I can give you with the, because we work with other companies also, large multinational, one of the multinational companies which you mentioned, Mars is the largest player in the space.
Yes.
They have seen a significant shift in India, especially on a pet food side. Earlier, people were not aware that the pets cannot have the food you cook at home. They need a specialized food, especially for Indian homes, because Indian homes don't have protein sufficient diets and things of that nature. So they need to have a lot of food which is designed for them. The mistake a lot of pet parents do is that actually they start feeding what you cook at home. Actually, it's wrong, because fundamentally pets are not designed to have the food which we have at regularly. So they need it. I think how much shift you have seen, how much awareness has gone in, and now the second linked question would be how much average pet parent would spend on the food space itself, just a food, buying a food, and how it is shifting day by day.
Thank you. You have rightly raised in one very vital questions, and I thankful to you that you have a lot of idea about the pet industry. Obviously, you have worked together.
After losing a lot of money, I invested into a company which was in pet grooming. So I have all my learnings come from my losses I make on businesses.
Okay. Anyhow,
so I'm not joking.
anyhow, that's I'm just telling you that. Just a minute. Yeah. So rightly said, the last couple of years that people have also understood that what is the uses, what is the nutritional value of the pet food, and people are now slowly but switching from to the packaged food. This because of the 2-3 things is very important to mention here. One is the now the Mars or the any pet food companies are very aggressive in their marketing, and they are giving the knowledge, not marketing. In fact, they're providing knowledges. They are putting seminars. They are putting information to the different pet parents that what are the benefit they will get exactly if they will go for packaged food. Normally, home food people are doing, it's not problem, but in a packaged food, they will get such a nutrition which will be very helpful for the growth of a pets. That message they will clearly now transmitting to the different forums, to the different parts of the pet parents, pet associations like that. So that's why the people, pet parents are now more aware of the fact, and they are adapting the things. Almost I can, as last 3-4 years, I think the growth of 20 to 25% growth I have seen in the packaged food people are doing that. Yes, this is the one question that you have raised. That definitely the second one that you can talking about. One more important, you're talking about that pet grooming and the pet food. But in terms of accessories, I just want to add it here. Accessories means not the chains and belts are things. There are a lot of things are there. Diapers, you have to regularly change it. It's part of the accessories. Pet training pads, scoopers, okay, and then maybe fashionable tags. A lot of things are there. Maybe 2,000 more items. If you purchase one item for the 2,000 items, then it will regularly basis you have to purchase. Winter is going on. Every pet parents has purchased 3-4 garments for them. We are manufactured for the pet garments also. So it's a huge growth. It's a regular item, one by one. Every month or every season, you will see some accessories to be added. Either in the summer, you have to do something. In winter, you have to do something. You have to purchase. It's a need now. Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Food and
Shampoo,
grooming.
shampoos, grooming, all these are very, very important part of it. Yes.
Yes, definitely. It's a part of these things. This is part of the things. So in every segment is now grooming. In terms of grooming, is phenomenally increased now. People are more concerned about pets to look very fashionable, look very silky. It should be stylish, basically stylish now. As people want that. I'm style. Why not my pets is also style? So this way they are doing. Okay.
Sure. So, Archana, can we remove the slide, please, just so that we are able to put the grid better? So, I will have a next question. Understanding the overall industry landscape, and this is a very important aspect because if you see the food part of the business, which is becoming more FMCG driven, and you see the pedigrees and the Royal Canans and likes of them are actually going out in even selling out of the typical Kriana stores. And when it goes there is a lot of market discounting which happens. And the complaint a lot of pet store owners do is that they also have to then start discounting. Discounting has become a part of this, and all these big companies have actually encouraged that piece. While it is not so much in the other FMCG products, but pet grooming surprisingly has seen a lot of discounting and price variations on online versus offline, and then conventional retail, general retail, specialty retail. So a lot of price variants are there. Do you think it's already stabilizing? It is now stabilizing, and you see the big players also trying to stabilize their MRP, because it's very important for a retailer to absolute margin, because you have given about 25% margin. If there was a discounting of 10%, the absolute margin would come down. So how do you really see that that's stabilizing? That's one question for me. Also, give us a little idea about when you start the pet store, the first 6 months is all about selling the basics. And as the retailer becomes a little bit knowledgeable, he knows how to upsell, and his product mix would change. So when you start, what is the product mix, which means how much food, how much grooming, how much accessories? And as you go 6 months, what should be the ideal piece? Because it's in any retail you do, I call the 4 parts to it. One is a destination product, what is a specialty product, what is a seasonal product, and what is the impulse product. So in your case also, the destination is always like food. People come for food. Specialty, because you are integrated manufacturer. So a lot of products which you have, which are only available with you because they are not available outside PG Pet. Seasonal, which you would, like you said, winters is there. So you'll have a lot of garments been selling. And impulse is then when you come here, you like something which is missing, you buy. What is the mix you have in the business of PG Pet, and how do you advise future entrepreneurs, when they start, what is the mix, and how they move in further, what is the mix? The 2 questions, one on discounting, one on the product mix.
Yes. Okay. So for first we take the discounting portion. Discounting is there now a common phenomena in our market now. 10% discount is giving. In fact, in our model, when we give you the ROI or the payback, we have considered 10% discount from this margin. Simple, because this is now common phenomenon. If anybody comes to your store, they will get a 10% discount. Okay. Some stores are now giving more discount than 10% also. They are giving 12%, they are giving up to 15%, they are moving forwards. So this is now unstandardized, unorganized way they are doing. But mainly I have seen the pet parents want the services. The pet parents want the quality and the varieties of products. And they are satisfied. 10% maximum pet parents are satisfied with the discount of 10%. They don't ask for the more discounts. Very few are definitely exceptional there who are asking for the more discounts. But pet one, basically, my feeling is that I understand that they want the services, they want the product quality, and the good advices what is needed for your pets. If their pets is happy, then they are happy. So standardization, that's why I'm telling you that one of many my end customer called me during lockdown period, we are not happy with the services qualities. Sir, what happened that if you can give them a discount, how do you give them a service. It is not possible. Service, you are giving appropriate service, giving appropriate high discount, not possible. Either discount or services. And people want the services, not the discount much. Yes, we are giving 10% discount. You consider in your model also, if you can see, or you can, whenever we sit together or to show to the our investor, we already consider 10% discount. So discount already considered here. Okay, this is the one question. Second, you are talking about that basic for the product mix you are talking about. So you are talking about the destinations product or specialty, seasonal or impulse product, impulse things. Yes, we have in a product mix. We already in our model we have prepared our model as per the product mix we have. We are just taking one my models where we have shown that what is the product mix will be. Just a minute. So normally that for the packaged food we are considered is a 60% because it's a highly moving things. For accessories it is coming around 30% for that. Supplements and vitamins, that is the healthcare products, it is around 20%, and the pet consultancy is 15%, which is the product mix. This is not a product mix, basically pet consulting, it's a clinic basically. So for consulting that these things will come, and grooming definitely 10 to 15% is the people will come. So product mix already been created for that as per the my past experience, a decade experience. Product mix created for the beginner and for the after 6 months also. That is considered by me and take care by me. And most important, 90 days exchange policy. What if anything else goes wrong or as per the locations or anything, we are there. We are always there. We want a pet family. We want a PG pet family. We do not, we require maybe the franchisee, but I want a family member. Family member, when enter into the family, he will be taken care for anything is there. For maybe 90, 95 days may be possible, 100 days may be possible. Anything possible, we are there. Because if he grow, I grow. The simple concept, we grow. He or not I, he said we grow. We want, we grow. When we grow, everybody will grow. Okay. This is the concept.
That's a good spirit. And that's a spirit of franchising. It's a collective ecosystem growth.
Yes.
Very important. While in franchising, there has to be strict obligation also. I always feel that while you have to create an environment like a family, but as a family leader, as a head of family, you need to also set discipline so that every franchisee understands that there is a larger respect for the brand. You know, sometimes the franchisees also become adventurous. They want to buy something from outside and they want to do their own thing. That should not be done. So like it's a family, but as a family head, you have to also look after them and also guide them when they're going wrong. That's very important. Both aspects are very, very important. So I'll take one more question and then pass it on to Sonia for her remarks and questions. Talent is very important aspect of this business, and when I lightly said that I invested into a pet business because I felt the same way you felt, that this is a huge industry, and my strong belief is still there that this is a very, very large industry, and one of the fastest growing franchise globally, not only India, is actually a pet stores. Yes. But I realized when I invested into a company, the differentiation in this is both the harder side, which is the product sourcing aggregation, which you've done because you're an integrated operator, you manufacture yourself. That's very, very important and a good aspect in your business. And the second is that the talent is also very important. Talent, because the talent for grooming, talent for your clinic, talent for your product sales is not the regular. It's a specialty. A lot of training and capability has to be built in. Because if you are handling a sophisticated pet parent, they have a very strong demand side, and not everybody is able to really service a good and because the pets come from different pedigrees and different structures, so it's very important that somebody has a much deeper understanding. So what is the capability you have built in to help in terms of training and also recruitment of good talent?
Yes, this is a very vital point that you have raised, that in terms of training, because always I have told my PPTs like that, we have a very strong training programs. I personally made a lot of videos, already made it videos, and which we will share to them product wise, category wise. Suppose, for example, toys, which toys you will give to which breed or something like that. Chain is a simple word, but you know that we are manufacturing almost 6 or 7 types of chains in each varieties: brass chains, brass special chains, brass chrome plated chains, brass chrome plated special chains, iron special chain, and then choke chains. So these SKUs are around more than 100, 150 varieties there. So I have made in videos, keep it. Whenever I'll start or whoever will join, a lot of things are like that. We will share these videos to them, because maybe that I haven't time to just go and make them understand each and everything. So I made a video for them. They will get these videos and ideas. First this. Secondly, for the grooming segment, we have a groomers who will train them for their specialized services. Uh, Third is the we will arrange 4 or 5 days or maybe 7 days as per the requirement of the franchisee to training facilities and my live store. I call them. I plan that they call them. They will be there for 7 days. We already 10 staff is there, so they along with this our own staffs, they will be there. They will train themselves. If they have any problems, they will guide them. They will sell the products, because 7 days maybe whatever this time is not the time is not a big factor for us to whatever the time they want they can stay, or normally 4 or 5 days I have kept in my model. So I think that we will provide them, as well as we have a team. Already we have built a team who are specialized in training facilities. So they will go there, and when they will start, they will provide them a training facilities. Training is a big factor for that. Yes, definitely we are work for that, and we know that because this is a very specialized type of industry, and I want that because as you know that I am from the finance background. Initially, I haven't also any knowledge for that. I am the corporate person. Lastly, I was with the Haldia Petrochemical as a tax consultant, and previously finance consultant also. So from that background, I have grown. So I know that what are the difficulties a person will face to become a specialized in the pet industry. So I have made this training module.
And
Ready.
give us a little bit, because I was very important is that what is a founder story? Any business, I feel that the profit story we all want to understand, because profit story tells you how much you can make. But the real value lies in the founder story, how the founder really got into this. What is your story? Why you got into this business from a finance guy writing and reading Excel sheets to coming and making a pet product and pet parenting? You were a pet parent yourself, or how does it happen?
Because very beginning that in the 2009, actually I am born and brought up in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Okay, I was work with the Linde Group. That time it was in a BOC gases, and now it's a Linde Group. So from that, I got an opportunity for the in Haldia Petrochemical, the head office, as a tax consultant for in direct taxes and indirect taxes both. So I shifted from Jharkhand to Jamshedpur to Calcutta in 2008, basically. So that time I have found that a lot of, because in Jharkhand it's not very popular pets in Jharkhand, but in Calcutta it's a lot of pets are there, and I have a friends who have pets in their houses. So they are always saying that अरे गौतम पेट फैसिलिटीज है ही नहीं कुछ, ना मेडिसिन मिलता है, ना खाना मिलता है, ना एक्सेसरीज मिलता है, कुछ नहीं मिलता है. हम बोले क्यों, क्या हो गया? This is such a big industry, everybody is getting. And obviously Jharkhand it is not getting, but in Calcutta बोले नहीं मिलता है. चलो, then it's striking me that let's do something for these pets. And secondly, I have seen in eastern part in Calcutta, employment is a very big factor. So I want to give them an employment to the anybody. If I'm able to give you the employment to anyone, then I'll be happy, because from this business I'm earning, he's earning, his family is running, my family is running. I take all of them as a paid family member. Always a family is a family. Still there, 40 plus people are working there. Ask them anybody where you were working, they said the PG Pet family were working. Never said PG Pet working. Because we are family members, we are there. Even if anybody has any problem, I am there. If I have any problem, last year 1st January my hand has broken. You don't believe that in a small span 20 guys is along with me. This is family. This is called family. So basically for two things, act providing the good accessories or facilities to the pets, and as well as the employment. This is the two things which encourage me to become an entrepreneur. So hopefully that
Good, good,
I'm a
good. I think you've solved the problem. Every good entrepreneur is successful if he or she solves one problem. You need to really, as an entrepreneur, always think what problem you're solving. So you solve a problem of not so much of good supply, and you have been an integrated operator. I would like to bring in now Sonia for her remarks and questions. And audience, I would like to really request you, if you have any question, go on a Q&A box. And if you have interest in a particular city which you want to explore, write that city also, and Sonia would take that city. And over to you, Sonia.
Thank you so much,
thank you, Gaurav.
Gautamji. And I would say there's a growing humanization by pet parents, which is leading to the growth of this segment. And high referral and loyal customer base makes this business sustainable. So, my first question, while we discussed on the capex deployment, we also talked about the revenue mix. I like to maybe take inputs and maybe if you can share feedback and give some indication of the operating expenses in outlet, which includes maybe the electricity, the manpower which is required. So typically, what are the operating expenses in a outlet, and what can end of the day a center or an outlet make?
Normally that investment portion I've already discussed with you. This normally that we have considered is two employees for beginning for a one store, and for the groomer definitely initially we will not suggest for any pet store to hire a permanent groomer. We have a groomer, so temporary basis they will assist them as per their time schedule. Actually we do not want that increase the operating expenses, because for survival in the initial 6 months I want that minimum to minimum cost. So one is the employee cost, okay, and second is your store rental. So store rental also we have considered for suppose that is an 100 rupees per square feet is the reasonable things. You will get it in, maybe the less than that you will get it in Calcutta regions. 50-60 rupees per square feet or 70 rupees square feet you will get in a good stores in Calcutta. Okay, in other cities, metros is a different story. So electricity, telephone, delivery expenses, these are the 3-4 expenses are there, and 2 employees cost. So it's almost marginal things is, if you can say that. So initially the total revenue we have projected for it is around 67 lakhs or something. So marginal things. Effective margins we have considered for 21 lakhs, and so operating margin is coming around 8% or something, and so operating income is coming 5 lakhs per annum, is after deducting everything, including the discounting portion of 10%. If you can sell your product at 10% discount, then your operating income is 5 lakhs for an annum. This way we have considered our models. For this model is for the paid clinic, stores plus clinic, not the grooming. Grooming, a little bit of high income you have.
Right, because they're high margins.
Is a high margin in the grooming segment.
What we're saying is retail and clinic would contribute on an average about 4.5 to 5 lakhs monthly revenue. And if we add grooming along with it, what would that revenue be? And what kind of operating income can one center make?
Yes, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. So if you can add up your grooming segment, then your EBITDA, that operating income for annually is grown up to 6.8 lakhs. 6.8 lakhs you will grow now. So 5.5, I have told you 5.6 lakhs for the first model, pet store plus clinic. For if you can add the grooming, then it will be coming around 6.82 lakhs for the second model, including grooming.
Great. And Gautamji, like to also maybe take another question, because we also run a clinic. Would we need maybe a doctor or a vet at the center? How does that work? One, and second, I also have a question which also talks about the pharmacy. Is there also any medicines which are a part of the portfolio when we keep a clinic?
Okay. The first question is the veterinarian is concerned. We have a already tie-up with the veterinarians. Okay, so veterinarians, we will suggest them as per the locations. The local veterinarian will be arranged. It's not a problem for us. First, secondly, the pharmacy is concerned. Definitely, the PG Pet stores we are supplying to the supplements and the vitamins, which is including in the model. Drug item we cannot sell from the stores unless and until you have a drug license. This is a basic requirement from the statutory requirement. If you fulfill your drug license, definitely you can sell your drugs. So it will not very tough to get the drug license, but it will take some time, 3 to 4 months times you take to get the drug license. As you will get the drug license, you can sell the drug items. But before that, you can definitely sell your supplements, vitamins, which is applicable for your pets.
Okay. Now you mentioned that there can be some local types with the veterinary doctors. So there's no need of a permanent doctor at the
No,
center.
no, 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 no. Because if you can, please understand that we don't want to increase the operating expenses. If you can hire a doctor, you have to pay regular expenses. So do not want. My model is built up to grow that at minimum operating expense. If you can hire a doctor for a whole day, why you hire a one day?
Right.
It will be temporary basis, daily basis, 2-3 hours a day, 2 hours a day and join you. And whoever the patient is there, as per the appointment, they will check and go. So this is like that.
No.
Groomer also, grooming segment also same thing. Groomer will be appointed. We have a groomer. So as per their appointment, suppose today they will get it at what time? As per the consultation with the groomer. Okay, 3 o'clock is the appointment fixed.
Sure.
You call your customer, groomer will be also there. Cut and done the grooming and they will go. Wait, after 1 year something or 6 months something like that, when you are established yourself and you feel that now I need a permanent anybody, then we can anytime you can appoint a permanent one.
Sure. Great. Gautamji, I'll also take maybe some of the questions from the audience and also pick up
Yes,
the
yes.
cities which they have put down. So first I'll take one for partners from Vijayawada. He says, as far as the interiors are concerned, can the interiors be done locally or it has to be done by the vendor of the company?
No, definitely they can do from their own. They can do from their own locally. I have given an idea about that how much this
Sure.
investment is there. Definitely design is from our end.
Right.
Design is from your end. They can do at their local vendors, obviously, because local vendors will be cheaper than if I can send a vendor from Calcutta.
Sure.
Obviously.
Right. So just to maybe add on the specifications, the design element all comes from the company as a standard. And based on the specifications, the local vendor can execute all the work which needs to be executed at the outlet. Second, Gautamji, I'll pick up a question on the stock. While you already mentioned there's a 90-day return policy, but what happens to the stock which still remains unsold even after 90 days? Is that kept at the outlet? Can that be returned, replaced? How's that at work? Is there some correction on that?
Yes, what I told you that definitely when you have in a store, you have in a materials. If you feel normally it is not happened to boost up the morale of the investor that we have a facility of 90 days. So people should not be morale is increased. Okay, I can push it up. Definitely material will be there, and it can be sold during the time frame. So okay. So if suppose for any location, specific location, any items is slow moving, they feel okay, this is slow moving items, or maybe non-moving items, then we are there. Then we're there. Then we're there, and we can definitely exchange these things to a new stuffs or something else, which as per the discussion with the franchise.
Sure. Another question, we talked about dogs and cats. So we have one of our partners again from the East India. I'd like to know if we also have other pets or, for example, birds, pigeons, fishes, aquarium. Do we have products for the other species also, or we limit ourselves only to dogs and cat food?
Okay, we have products for dogs, cats, birds, and the pigeons. We don't have a product for the fishes because fishes are different categories. It will take another wide area is required to keep the live fishes. So it is not required. We are not keep going for the fishes, but except fishes, everything we are doing.
Okay. All right, Gautamji, I'll pick some cities. So, for example, we have Mr. Deepak Swami. He like to know if it is available for Guwahati and Kutch, Gujarat.
Yes, we are open for the Guwahati because it is part of because we have a lot of customers in Guwahati now. We are supplying to the northeast. In fact, we have one sales executive who's been there in Guwahati for looking after my all customers, and customers mean pet stores. Basically, we are supplying to the 1,000+ stores in all over the country. Yes, we can do that.
All right, helpful. And we have Mr. Ravindranath ji. He's from Hyderabad, and he would like to know if Jubilee Hills is a viable location for a business like that. While Hyderabad and Jubilee Hills in Hyderabad is one of the premium locations, it would do well. But we need to be very careful about the rental. Is what I would like to say. Anything that you would want to add on this, Gautam ji? And also, if you can say, are you looking outside East India also, or at this point in time, it's just East India or West Bengal, so to say, which becomes your priority? Rollout.
My definitely my already mentioned that my priority is nowadays in the East India and the Northeast, East India Northeast, because of the COVID that still that transportations and everything is little bit of restricted. So presently for the couple of months we are restricted ourselves to these areas, but definitely after a couple of months when everything will be fine, hopefully the vaccine has come. So hopefully that everything will be fine within a couple of months. Then definitely we look forward for this. We can keep these numbers for that after a couple of months when are open to for other cities. Then definitely we'll get in touch with him.
Great. And Gautam ji, what one question, I don't know if we put that in the presentation or not. Is there also royalty on the business model
No,
that
no,
you're
no, no,
charging?
no, 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 no royalty, no royalty, no nothing, nothing, nothing.
Right. It's a no royalty model, and I would reiterate the investment being asked because some people joined maybe or they got disconnected. So overall investment is between 13 to 15 lakhs, where about 8.5 lakhs is the investment which you require. Another 5 lakh is the working capital that you need towards the stock or the inventory at the outlet. So with this, Gautam ji, maybe before we close, I will request if we can keep a date in the coming week where we can bring our prospective investors to you and you can speak with them. We also have on this webinar our teams from East India and also our IFCs, our consultants from East India, who would also like to bring in some prospects in the coming week. Would you want to fix up a date which you are thinking can be available where we bring these prospects to you and announce it today or?
Actually, I'm in a from tomorrow onwards. I'm in a traveling for the business tour for, in fact, in Delhi. In fact, I'll be in Delhi for the tomorrow,
All
and
right.
on also for 1 week I'm in the Delhi tomorrow for certain business discussions and some. I have a certain one manufacturing unit in the Delhi also. So normally I have to visit in a Delhi. So tomorrow, but next week, little bit of busy, but definitely we will discuss with the team, East India team, to
Sure.
finalize the team, and accordingly we'll fix it up.
Great. Thank you so much, Gautam ji. And before we close, I will request if you can
Thank
maybe,
you.
come up and maybe address the audience with your final message, which is listening live and also on this webinar.
So message is very clear: happiness for pet parents, and you will be our family members. So we'll take care as your family. Franchisee maybe that, but we consider as a franchisee is your family members. So please come and join and go together to grab the market. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gautam ji, for coming in today. And friends,
Thank you.
if you're
Thank you.
looking for more information, because I see some of you asking more information on the webinar, we already have a Facebook Live which is going on. You can go on the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands. You can watch the entire recording once again. And also, like I mentioned, we have our teams and consultants from East India who would also reach out to you. We've also put a hotline number in the chat box. Kindly send your inquiries on the chat box and we'll reach out to you, understand your locations, and we'll fix up a time based on the availability of Gautam ji for maybe the last week and fix up a time which is convenient for them and also you. Thank you so much, Gautam ji, and over to you, Archana.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very
Sure.
much.
Sure. So thank you so much, Gautam sir, for joining in today. We understand that you canceled your ticket specifically for this webinar. We really appreciate
Yes.
that. We look forward to have success with you. We would like to thank our panel member and dear participants who have joined us today. Please do connect with us at our different social handles. Information on your screen. You can connect with at business hotline number, which is 97176 Do share your suggestions, your feedback, queries, detailed profile so that we can serve you in the best of the manner. Join us at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited to see all the previously done webinars, submit and different webinars. You can also connect with management team of Franchise India at their respective LinkedIn IDs. The entire team of Franchise India is available to help with each and every business query. And since it's Sunday, and Sunday is always very special for all of us because we try to bring in and represent top opportunities. So we invite you to join us for our UP and Uttarakhand franchise show, which will start sharp at 3 p.m., where we are bringing top 10 popular business opportunity for you. Along with the brands, our industry expert would also join to give you the suggestions and business solutions. So please do not miss this chance. Join us sharp 3 p.m. to understand the journey of these top 10 brands. And tomorrow, under Business Opportunity Over Webinar series, we invite each one of you to attend our 219th edition, where we are bringing the team of Dr. Pest Control. Dr. Pest Control is the #1 pest brand in India. They're already in market since for 25 years. So please do not miss these two opportunities, where today 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. you can understand journey of 10 brands, and tomorrow under Business Opportunity Over Webinar series you'll understand the journey of Dr. Pest Control. At the same business hotline number, you shall receive a registration link. Do registration so that you can join us for these webinars. So thank you once again for joining in today. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Bye.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Bye. Bye.